Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Nuoc Mam Cham, which is a Vietnamese fish sauce dressing. To start this off, here I have one 10-gram piece of ginger. We're just going to cut it into thirds. Then with one lime, we're just going to cut it in half. And we're only going to use one half. And then we're going to need 3 cloves of garlic. We're then just going to cut the root off. And then an easy way to peel these, just put the side of your knife onto it and push down. And the skin will crack, making you able to pull the skin off the clove a lot more easier. And then with one small red Birdseye chili, I'm just going to take the top off and just thinly slice this. Then in a small saucepan, we're going to add 100 milliliters of fish sauce, 100 milliliters of rice wine vinegar, 4.5 tablespoons of caster sugar, our 10 grams of sliced ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 Kaffir lime leaf, 175 milliliters of water, and half of a lime. We're then going to put this onto a high heat, and we're going to heat this up just before boiling point. Then now that this is just before boiling point, I'm going to turn it off the heat. Then we're going to add our chili and allow this to completely cool down and for the flavours to infuse. Then now that this is completely cooled down, we'll pull out the lime, squeeze what excess juice is left in it, mix that through, and give it a taste test. And that tastes absolutely amazing. It's sweet, sour, salty, savoury, and even spicy. And this is the perfect dipping sauce and can also be used as a salad dressing. To store this, either place this in a jar or an airtight container, and this can be left in the fridge for up to 2 months, or you can put it in the freezer where it will last up to 6 months. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you haven't done so already, be sure to smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with everything that I do on my channel. I post 3 videos a week with recipes, tips, tricks and secrets. Be sure to like, share and comment, and if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use.